Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the channel and welcome to yet another fantastic video about the Tech Talk series. What do you do if your video demands travel route animation to be integrated in the video? How do you do the travel route animation? Today we are going to speak about how we can make travel route animation in one of the most commonly used and the legendary software, that is none other than Microsoft PowerPoint. We now want a map. Of course, you can go to Google Map and you can save the screenshot or download the image and you can use it. But as you know, Google Maps are copyrighted, so you can have troubles of copyrights. So better to go for open source maps. OpenStreetMap.org, one of the very fantastic and open source map providing service. This is. We'll first save this screenshot. Great. Now we will close this Safari first. Now we have this screenshot here. We'll go to PowerPoint, insert picture from file, desktop. Great. Now we want to crop this. The next step that we will do is we will add some animation here which will show our route. That's it. In this today's video we are going to prepare a very simple travel route animation. We will go to draw. We will take a pen like this one and the color say black. Now we need to mark the road by which we have gone to this place. Great. Go to insert, shapes, this thing. Okay, this is my starting point. Command C, Command V, and this is my end point. Alright, now we want to animate this travel route. We'll go to animation and just play. Great, done. We have made the very basic travel route animation in the legendary Microsoft PowerPoint. The next thing, we need to go to File, Export, Travel Route Animation. Instead of PDF, say MP4. Now this is one of the most important steps. Here you need to specify how long this video will be when exported from PowerPoint. Make it a bit larger so that in the video editing software you can fast forward it, or you can make it slower, or you can play with that. So we will keep it for 10 seconds. And where is it going? It's going to desktop, export. So we see the progress here down the line at the bottom. It's done. This is our travel route animation video. Great. So I hope you have understood how to make a very basic travel route animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. In the next video, I shall show you some complex and advanced level travel route animation which you can make in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please do subscribe. On our channel, you will find a number of such great tutorials, vlogs, reviews, and infotainment. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe.